In the workshop this week, a dad gets to spend some quality time with his son.
Come on then, Dopey. Put the lights on when you go through. Don't want you tripping over out, I'll die of laughing.
As they take on the Ideal Restoration Starter project.
Come on, we're waiting.
We catch up on an old favourite, the TR7 V8 rally car.
All the front suspension, subframes have all been changed. Rebuilt all the axle and then redone the fuel system. Doesn't look a lot on the outside, but a bit like a swan. Underneath it's all kicking off.
And Derek encourages us to buy this lumbering workhorse.
A little bit of play on the steering, there always is, look. Look, see what I mean?
Only to discover why nobody else renovates them.
It's completely bollocks.